Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Zazzle, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Zazzle website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and skills. Research trending products in that niche. Explore the existing designs to gather inspiration. Select a product category, such as apparel, home decor, or stationery. Utilize Zazzle's design tools to create unique graphics or text. Upload your designs to the chosen products. Ensure your designs meet Zazzle's quality guidelines. Set competitive pricing for your products. Write engaging product descriptions that highlight unique features. Use relevant tags to improve search visibility. Promote your Zazzle store on social media platforms. Engage with your audience to build a community. Utilize Zazzle's marketing tools for additional exposure. Monitor your sales and customer feedback. Adjust your strategy based on performance and trends. Continuously refine your designs and offerings. Stay updated on Zazzle's new features and trends. Collaborate with other creators for cross-promotion opportunities. Evaluate your time investment and adjust as needed. This process will help enhance your side hustle with Zazzle. Stay committed and patient as your store grows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.